Hi, Goldie. Hey, Goldie girl. He's my girl.
Yeah, we're making a snowman.
He's my girl. You're all wet. You'll never be able to get this up there.
That's what you think? That's what you think? Come on, let's go.
Go. I don't have gloves on. I can't help.
Oh, yeah, sure.
What are you gonna do for the head? Which one are you gonna? You need to smooth out the top a little bit so it'll lay.
No, we're making it into a little crater.
Okay.
It'll fit.
All right. We'll make it into a little crater.
We're doing.
I guess that's an engineering idea.
That's Mr. Dowd and be like, this is our invention, large snowman.
Did you tell your dad? Do you tell your dad what you're doing?
No. Nope. We just came out here. We decided to roll the biggest snowball as we can. Then we decided let's just one up Anna.
Okay. Well, hurry up.
It's not moving. Okay, we can try to roll it up it.
Anna, come and help them.
Yeah.
They need help putting this snowman on.
Okay. Okay, ready? Can you go from the bottom? Yeah, we're gonna need one person over here to do this thing.
Here, I'll do it. I'll help you. Hold on.
It's like climbing a vertical place.
Okay, come on.
Video? Yeah, you just stand right
It's
here.
on video. Come on, hurry. Get over here.
Okay,
Get over here, Elliot. 3 of us.
This one's gonna roll. We don't want it to roll. That's
Why
fine. Once it gets up there, we can run around. Let's go.
How you doing?
Okay, ready?
How you doing, Gordon?
Oh, help! Quick, quick! We need your help. We need you to hold that one steady.
Oh, yeah, okay.
My snowman's about to fall. He's seriously like leaning back.
We're naming this.
Anna, yours is drunk. What happened?
This thing's gonna last for like a week. Yeah.
This man. Oh, he's gone now.
Alright, come on, Anna. We can use your base as a head, maybe.
Just keep him from moving. Keep his belly from moving.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go!
Oh my god. You guys didn't plan
Okay,
the bottom.
okay, I'll keep it here. You guys back in the snow.
I can't. I don't have gloves on.
Well, someone else.
I'll hold it here.
Okay. Alright, Anna, quick.
Oh my god, you guys should have used that one as the bottom one.
That's what I
No.
said.
That one's bigger.
No, I don't
You
know.
guys might need to put in some snow around the bottom too.
It's an hourglass figure.
Yeah, that's
Hourglass figure. It's a perfect schoolgirl.
Here, I'll start packing snow around the bottom. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Goldie girl.
Oh my god. This is the start of a snowman.
What if I let go?
See, check it.
No, I can let go, but put some more in here. Pack some more in there.
Yeah.
That'll get working on the head, though.
Yeah, start working on the head.
No. First you need to pour it in here. Work on the head later.
Or you just finish it and let it fall.
Well, you need to keep it. Make sure that it's not going to fall.
Okay, see if that'll stay.
No.
Yeah!
Barely.
It lives!
Look at that area there.
It's
Come on.
definitely gonna fall.
It will. Now I got that. I think it'll look fine. Yeah. We can do the head?
Where's Arlene? Is she here?
She's off. She's actually off on a cruise.
Yeah, we'll use her basis.
I hope she wasn't on the one.
Oh my
Exactly.
God.
No, she just left. She
Ah.
just left yesterday morning. But,
Huh.
yeah.
What is that? It looks like a giant hourglass.
This is a snowman.
You better get ahead.
Eat it.
We're gonna get a head. Oh my gosh.
He looks a little retarded.
I know it's hard.
What are you doing? You're taking Anna's head.
Yeah, we are. No, we're taking her butt.
Anna, did you okay that, Anna? Why don't you pick it up? You're losing it. You're losing all of him.
Oh, here, I can get it.
Look how much you left on the ground.
Here, no, I
Look
can
behind you.
Like nothing. I got it. Oh, that's fun stuff. Okay. Wait.
Now just hose it down a little bit before night, so you can turn.
Oh, look what you did.
We'll just have to roll it again.
Hurry, roll it up the hill.
No big deal.
We saw what you did earlier, rolling it down the hill. That was pretty smart.
Right?
But you got to get it rounder so it will roll.
Yeah, yeah. It's like an arrowhead shape right now.
And you got to do it quicker because my hands are
I'm going to put my phone on the charger. I'll be right back.
my hands are getting cold.
You want a video or a picture?
You're on video.
Ah, fun.
Where'd your mom go to, Elliot?
She was out when it started snowing. Can use some of Anna's base to help out at the bottom. Okay, here it goes.
Just don't let it roll into the other one.
Come on. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Look at the head.
Okay, now you.
How hard it's gonna be to get it up there.
Okay, Elliot, you need to go and help him get it over here.
Okay. Should put mine on the bottom. That looks like. Oh,
Yeah, look at, it's angled, guys. It's.
you're angled. Yeah.
Look at it from where I'm standing. It's gonna fall over.
We'll fix it. We'll fix
You
it.
won't be able to. You'll have to build another one.
No, we have to fix it right now. Hey. I'm gonna do that.
Don't move it.
No, if I go like that and then you put snow under it. That's dangerous. Oh well. Okay. Hold on, let me get it.
Now it needs to go on the back side over here.
Opposite side.
Thane. It needs to go over opposite Elliot, directly opposite him.
Dude, we should just build like a tower and we can climb.
Actually, I can tip it.
Okay, ready? Hold on, wait. Move this. Okay. Go. That should be good.
Okay, keep going. No, put more in here.
No, yeah. It's level now. Yeah, quit pushing it.
You need more.
No, we don't. We'll level it out later. Just get there. That leveled it out.
Okay.
Dad, quit.
I'm giving you the space to put the head.
Dad. That's fine. What you doing?
Trying to help you.
These
Okay,
are
let's go.
beautiful size, but
What are those? Eyeballs?
Clementine.
You guys got ready? This will be perfect for the eye.
Clementine's a perfect size.
Right.
Goldie, where are you going? Hey,
Now, remember we have to make this first.
where's she going?
Fine, we'll put it on and then we'll do it. It's pretty light. Light compared to that.
Hurry, we're running out of light.
Yeah, we're running out of light. Ready?
I gotta go get my phone then.
Anna, help him. Help him lift it.
No.
Help him.
You help him. Stop pulling.
We're on the snow right now. Okay, keep it there.
Elliot, this side that you're holding looks flatter. I would put that down.
It don't matter.
It looks a lot flatter and it'll be a lot easier.
You need to fill in the spots around Elliot's hand.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get my phone so I can take a picture. Here, the Clement.
Oh!
Elliot, wait, the Clementines are right there. Don't step on.
Where'd Goldie go?
Get my phone.
Goldie, come on. Come on. Hurry up. Come on, let's go. Come on. Goldie, come. Come here. I gotta go get the dog. Come here. Come here. Goldie, hey. Where's she going? Come here. Come here. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on, let's go home. Hurry up, let's go home. All right, I'm going in.